Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to add images to Weebly. First, log into your account, then on the top right, click on Edit Site. Once inside the site editor page, you can now easily add images. To do that, on the left panel, under Elements, you can select on the image options. Now, just go and drag it to the section where you want it to be. Then, click on the image block and upload a photo from your device. So just go and select one. And now, it will be added to your website. You can also go add another one. Then, go and choose image URL if you'd like to. So just add in as much as you'd like. On the other hand, you can also go and change the images that are already existing on your website. So just go and click on it. Then go and click on Replace Image. Now you can upload again from a device or add an image URL. So just go ahead and select the picture that you want to add to your site. And as you can see, it will replace the image from your website. You can also go click on that and edit it, like cropping, adding a filter, adjusting, adding a text, and such. But that's just basically it. That's how you add image to Weebly. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.